Welcome to our Real English Conversation podcast.
Today, we are talking about hobbies and why hobbies are an important part of a happy life.
Do you enjoy reading, playing sports, cooking, drawing, or listening to music?
Everyone has different hobbies, and hobbies help us relax, learn new skills, and enjoy our free time.
This is a B1 English listening practice designed to help you improve your English naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and let's talk about hobbies in English.
Hello everyone and welcome back.
We're happy you're here with us today.
Our topic today is hobbies.
A very fun topic.
Yes, I think everyone likes talking about hobbies.
I agree. Hobbies are an important part of life.
Let's start with a simple question.
What is a hobby?
A hobby is an activity that you do for enjoyment during your free time.
Exactly.
People usually do hobbies because they enjoy them.
Not because they have to.
That's an important difference.
Work is something you must do.
A hobby is something you choose to do.
Because it makes you happy.
Let's repeat a useful sentence.
I do it because I enjoy it.
I do it because I enjoy it.
Again?
I do it because I enjoy it.
Excellent.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
Those are great hobbies.
Thank you.
Why do you like reading?
Because reading helps me learn new things.
That's true.
Books can teach us about people, places, ideas, and cultures.
Reading can also improve English.
Absolutely.
Many English learners enjoy reading simple books.
It's a great way to learn vocabulary.
What about music?
Music helps me relax.
Me too.
After a busy day, listening to music feels wonderful.
I completely agree.
Music can change your mood.
It can make you feel calm,
Happy,
motivated.
or even emotional.
Hobbies are interesting because different people enjoy different things.
Exactly.
Some people enjoy sports,
Some enjoy art.
some enjoy cooking,
Some enjoy gardening.
and some people collect interesting items.
That's true.
There are so many hobbies in the world.
And there's no perfect hobby.
The best hobby is the one you enjoy.
Exactly.
Let's repeat that.
The best hobby is the one you enjoy.
The best hobby is the one you enjoy.
One more time.
The best hobby is the one you enjoy.
Excellent.
I think hobbies are becoming more important today
Why do you think that?
because modern life can be stressful.
That's true.
People work hard,
They study hard.
they spend hours on computers and phones.
Life can become very busy.
A hobby gives us a break.
A healthy break.
It helps us recharge.
That's a great word.
Recharge means to get energy again.
Exactly.
Hobbies help us feel refreshed.
They help our minds relax.
And sometimes they help us meet new people.
That's another.
Welcome back, everyone.
In part 1, we talked about what hobbies are and why they are important.
Now, let's talk about popular hobbies around the world.
That sounds interesting.
People from different countries often enjoy similar hobbies.
That's true.
Reading is one of the most popular hobbies in the world.
Millions of people enjoy reading every day.
Some people read novels.
Some read history books.
Others enjoy biographies.
And many people enjoy self-improvement books.
Reading is a hobby that never gets old.
Because there is always something new to learn.
Let's practice a useful sentence.
I enjoy reading because it helps me learn new things.
I enjoy reading because it helps me learn new things.
Again.
I enjoy reading because it helps me learn new things.
Excellent. Another popular hobby is listening to music.
I think almost everyone enjoys music.
I agree.
Music can make us feel happy,
Relaxed
excited.
or inspired.
Different people enjoy different types of music.
Pop music,
Rock music,
country music,
jazz,
classical music.
and many more.
Music is a universal language.
That's a beautiful way to describe it.
Thank you. Another hobby that many people enjoy is watching movies.
That's one of my favorites.
Really?
Yes, I love watching movies on weekends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy comedy and adventure movies.
Good choice.
What about you?
I like mystery movies.
Those can be exciting.
Very exciting.
Watching movies can also help people learn English.
That's true.
Learners hear natural conversations,
They learn pronunciation
new vocabulary.
and common expressions.
Let's learn another useful phrase.
In my free time, I enjoy watching movies.
In my free time, I enjoy watching movies.
One more time.
In my free time, I enjoy watching movies.
Great job.
Sports are also very popular hobbies.
Absolutely.
Some people enjoy playing sports.
Others enjoy watching sports.
Basketball is popular.
Soccer is popular.
Baseball,
Tennis,
volleyball.
swimming.
There are so many options.
Sports help people stay healthy.
They improve fitness
Strength.
and teamwork skills.
Many friendships begin through sports.
That's true.
Playing sports can be both fun and healthy.
A perfect combination.
Exactly.
Let's imagine a simple conversation.
Okay.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing basketball.
How often do you play?
I play basketball twice a week.
Very nice.
That's a useful conversation pattern.
English learners can use it immediately.
Definitely.
Another growing hobby is photography,
That's becoming very popular.
especially because smartphones have good cameras.
Exactly.
People enjoy. Welcome back, everyone.
We're happy you're still with us.
In part 2, we talked about popular hobbies around the world.
Reading, music, sports, cooking, photography, and many others.
Now, let's talk about something very important.
How hobbies help us grow as people.
That's a great topic.
I think many people underestimate the power of hobbies.
I agree.
People often think hobbies are just for fun.
But hobbies can teach valuable life skills.
Exactly.
Let's start with confidence.
Confidence is something many people want.
Yes,
But confidence doesn't appear overnight.
it grows through practice and experience.
That's where hobbies can help.
Can you explain?
Of course.
Go ahead.
They start learning to play the guitar.
Okay.
At first, they make mistakes.
Probably lots of mistakes.
Exactly.
That's normal.
They struggle with simple songs.
Their fingers hurt,
Their timing isn't perfect.
but they keep practicing.
Day after day,
Week after week.
month after month.
Eventually, they improve.
And improvement creates confidence.
That's a powerful lesson.
Confidence comes from progress.
Let's repeat that.
Confidence comes from progress.
Confidence comes from progress.
Again.
Confidence comes from progress.
Excellent.
The same thing happens with other hobbies.
Absolutely.
Sports,
Drawing,
photography,
writing.
cooking.
Every hobby teaches improvement.
And improvement builds confidence.
Exactly.
Hobbies also teach patience.
That's an important skill.
Many people want results immediately.
But hobbies teach us to trust the process.
That's a great phrase.
Trust the process.
Let's repeat it.
Trust the process.
Trust the process.
One more time.
Trust the process.
Excellent.
Whether you're learning piano or learning English,
Progress takes time.
exactly.
That's why hobbies are great teachers.
They remind us that growth is gradual.
Small steps create big results.
Another benefit of hobbies is creativity.
I love creativity.
Me too.
Creative hobbies encourage new ideas.
For example,
Painting,
photography,
writing stories.
designing things.
Even cooking can be creative.
That's true.
People create new recipes all the time.
Creativity helps us solve problems too.
Exactly.
Creative people often see opportunities where others see obstacles.
That's a valuable skill in life.
Very valuable.
Hobbies can also improve mental health.
That's becoming more important today.
Modern life can be stressful.
Many people feel pressure.
From work,
School,
family responsibilities,
social media.
a hobby.
Welcome back, everyone.
We're glad you're still listening.
In part 3, we talked about how hobbies help us grow.
They build confidence, creativity, patience, and discipline.
Now we're going to discuss another important benefit.
Hobbies help people connect with others.
That's right.
Humans are social beings.
We all need connection,
We all need friendships.
and hobbies can help create those friendships.
Very naturally.
Let's imagine two strangers meeting for the first time.
Okay?
At first, they may not know what to talk about.
That can feel awkward.
Yes, it can.
But then they discover they both enjoy hiking.
Suddenly, they have something in common.
Exactly.
They can talk about trails,
Nature,
mountains.
their favorite hiking experiences.
The conversation becomes much easier.
That's the power of shared interests.
Let's repeat a useful phrase.
We have a lot in common.
We have a lot in common.
Again,
We have a lot in common.
excellent.
People often become friends because of shared hobbies.
That's very true.
Think about sports teams,
Book clubs,
music groups,
photography clubs,
language learning communities,
all of these bring people together.
and friendships often grow from there.
Sometimes lifelong friendships.
That's amazing.
It really is.
Hobbies can also improve communication skills.
Especially group hobbies.
Can you explain?
Of course.
Go ahead.
When people participate in group activities, they naturally talk more.
That's true.
They ask questions,
Share ideas,
give opinions.
solve problems together.
All of these improve communication.
That's especially helpful for English learners.
Absolutely.
Many English learners join hobby groups.
They practice English while enjoying something they love.
That's a smart idea
Learning becomes more natural.
and less stressful.
Exactly.
Imagine joining a photography club.
You would talk about cameras,
Pictures,
lighting.
travel.
You would learn English without even realizing it.
That's a great benefit.
It certainly is.
Hobbies can also strengthen family relationships.
That's an important point.
Families often spend time together through hobbies.
For example,
Cooking together,
playing sports together,
gardening together,
watching movies together.
going fishing together.
Those shared experiences create memories.
Wonderful memories.
Memories that last for years.
Sometimes people remember experiences more than gifts.
I think that's true.
A family picnic,
A road trip,
a game night.
a cooking session.
Those moments become special.
Because they bring people closer.
Let's practice another useful phrase.
My hobby helps me spend time with my family.
Welcome back, everyone.
We're glad you're still with us.
In part 4, we talked about how hobbies help people build friendships and stronger relationships.
Today, we're going to discuss something very practical.
How to find the right hobby.
And how to stay motivated once you find it.
That's a question many people ask.
Especially adults.
Why do you think that is?
Because many adults become busy with work and responsibilities.
That's true.
They often forget to make time for themselves.
And hobbies are usually the first thing they stop doing.
Unfortunately, yes.
But it's never too late to start a new hobby.
Never.
Let's repeat a useful phrase.
It's never too late to start.
It's never too late to start.
Again,
It's never too late to start.
excellent.
So, how can someone find the perfect hobby?
The first step is curiosity.
Curiosity?
Yes.
Explain that.
Think about activities that seem interesting to you.
Even if you've never tried them before?
Exactly.
That's a great idea.
Maybe you've always wanted to learn photography,
Or play the guitar.
or paint.
Or learn a new language.
Curiosity is often the beginning of a hobby.
I like that.
Me too.
The second step is trying new things.
That's very important.
Some people spend years thinking about a hobby,
But they never actually try it.
and that's a mistake.
Because you can't know if you enjoy something until you experience it.
Exactly.
Imagine someone saying, I don't think I'll enjoy painting.
But they've never painted before.
Then they don't really know.
That's true.
Sometimes our favorite hobbies are unexpected,
We discover them by accident.
or by simply giving them a chance.
Let's practice another sentence.
I would like to try something new.
I would like to try something new.
Again,
I would like to try something new.
excellent.
Another good idea is starting small.
Absolutely.
Many people quit because they expect too much too soon.
They want to become experts immediately.
But every expert was once a beginner.
That's a wonderful lesson.
Nobody starts perfect.
Everyone starts by learning
Making mistakes.
and improving slowly.
That's how progress works.
Exactly.
Let's imagine someone learning photography.
Okay,
Their first photos might not be amazing.
that's normal.
Their second photos might be a little better.
Exactly.
Over time, they improve.
And improvement creates motivation.
That's a very important point.
Motivation often comes after action.
Not before action.
Let's repeat that.
Motivation comes after action.
Motivation comes after action.
Again.
Motivation.
Welcome back, everyone.
We're happy you're here for the final part of today's conversation.
We've talked about many aspects of hobbies.
What hobbies are,
Popular hobbies around the world.
how hobbies build confidence,
How they help us make friends.
and how to find the right hobby.
Now let's talk about the biggest benefit of all.
Hobbies make life better.
That's simple, but very true.
Life can become busy and stressful.
Many people spend most of their day working or studying.
They focus on responsibilities,
Deadlines
problems.
and obligations.
Sometimes they forget to enjoy life.
That's why hobbies are important.
They remind us to make time for ourselves,
Time to relax.
time to learn,
Time to have fun.
and time to grow.
I think happiness often comes from simple things.
I agree.
A good book,
A walk in the park,
listening to music,
cooking a favorite meal,
taking photographs.
spending time on something you enjoy.
Those moments may seem small.
But they can make a big difference.
Let's repeat a useful phrase.
Small moments create a happy life.
Small moments create a happy life.
Again,
Small moments create a happy life.
excellent.
Hobbies also help people stay mentally healthy.
That's becoming more important every year.
Modern life can feel overwhelming.
People face pressure from many directions.
Work pressure,
Financial pressure,
family responsibilities.
social expectations.
A hobby provides balance
It gives the mind a chance to rest.
and recharge.
Exactly.
When people spend time doing something they love,
They often feel calmer and happier.
that's one reason hobbies reduce stress.
Another reason is focus.
What do you mean?
Many hobbies require concentration.
Like painting?
Exactly.
Or playing an instrument?
Yes,
Or gardening?
absolutely.
When people focus on a hobby, they stop thinking about their worries for a while.
Their attention moves to the present moment.
And that can feel very relaxing.
Very relaxing.
Hobbies can also improve physical health,
Especially active hobbies.
such as walking,
Running,
cycling,
swimming,
hiking.
and sports.
These activities keep the body strong.
And help people stay energetic.
Healthy body, healthy mind.
That's a great saying.
Let's repeat it. Healthy body, healthy mind.
Healthy body, healthy mind.